Welcome students. Today our mathematics classes of class 10th, that is Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.1, question number first. In previous video I can derive all the formula related to this chapter, that is trigonometry, and now today we use this formula in this question, that is in triangle ABC right angled at B. एक ट्रायंगल ABC है जो B पर राइट एंगल है, AB 24 सेंटीमीटर, BC 7 सेंटीमीटर. डिटरमिन फर्स्ट साइन A cos A sin C cos C. First of all, that is the solution. Now draw the figure, that is in triangle ABC. First of all, we draw a triangle ABC which is right angle at B. Now this, that is a known, that is here C, and now write A. In case of this sine A, we take, this is the perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. First of all, right, that is AB 24 centimeter and BC, that is 7 centimeter. We have to find AC. So now this triangle is right triangle, therefore we can use the formula, that is by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. So in case of h, this is right angle at B, so opposite side is hypotenuse, that is AC. H is equal to AC square, B, that is AB square, and P, that is BC square. Now that is AC square is equal to AB 24 का square plus 7 square, that is AC square is equal to 24 square 576 plus 7 square, that is 49. Now AC square is equal to 625, that is AC is equal to 25. That is the square root of 625 is equal to 25. Now we can write that is, this is 25. So first we can take angle A, this one is. If this is take angle A, so this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. So in case of sine A, I can write this, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. Now use this formula. Therefore that is sine A. In case of sine, we have to write that is P by H. Here, that is P by H. And what is P? P, that is BC, H, which is AC. Now that is BC upon AC. This can be written as 7 by 25. Again, we have to find cos A, that is cos A is equal to, this one is B by H, and B is equal to, that is AB. Here, look here, B is equal to AB, that is AB upon AC. And what is AB? 24 upon 25. Now in second case, we have to take C, that is in case of this, take this angle, that is sine. So we have to change the figure in this form. Look here, that is C can be take here, this angle, so this is perpendicular A, and B is also here, that is AB. And now take AB 24, BC, that is 7 here, and this is 25. In case of this, so look here, that is if take sine A, this angle A, so perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse AC and base is equal to AB. And in this case, if we take angle C, so the opposite side is perpendicular, related side is base, and the side opposite to greater angle is also greater, so this is hypotenuse. Now we have to find sine C, that is sine C. Take this angle C, that is P by H, sine ka P upon H, and what is P? That is AB upon H, which is AC. So we can write 24 upon 25, and cos C, that is B by H. Now what is B? That is BC, and H, which is also equal to AC. Now BC is equal to 7 and AC is equal to 25. This is our answer. On this basis we solve some other questions. Thank you.